Portable blenders have completely changed how we make smoothies, shakes, and healthy drinks on the go. In 2026, these compact powerhouses are smarter, stronger, and more convenient than ever. Whether you're rushing to work, heading to the gym, traveling, or just want a quick blend at home, choosing the right portable blender makes a huge difference. In this video, Tech Fact brings you the top 5 best portable blenders of 2026, carefully selected for performance, design, battery life, and real-world usability. If you love honest tech breakdowns that save your time and money, hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and comment which blender fits your lifestyle best. Let's jump straight into the list and find the perfect portable blender for you. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Personal Portable Blender. This Hamilton Beach blender is all about simplicity and everyday ease. Unlike many cordless travel blenders, it's a corded personal blender, meaning you plug it in and blend whenever you're near an outlet. Its 14-ounce blending cup doubles as a travel cup, so once your smoothie or shake is ready, you can just snap on the travel lid and hit the road. With durable stainless steel blades and straightforward one-touch operation, it's ideal for beginners and those who want a no-nonsense experience. It blends soft fruits, shakes, and basic smoothies quickly, and the compact design makes it great for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or office desks. Cleanup is effortless since the parts are dishwasher safe, and the lightweight build ensures that storage and everyday use are hassle-free. Keep in mind its motor isn't as powerful as some high-end cordless models, so it's best for lighter blends rather than crushing ice or hard frozen food. But if simplicity and reliability are your priorities, this unit delivers consistent results with minimal fuss. Number 4. NutriBullet 20 ounces Portable Blender. For those who crave both power and portability, this NutriBullet blender is a strong contender. Its 20-ounce capacity is impressively roomy for a travel blender, meaning you can load it up with fruit, veggies, protein powder, or even tougher ingredients and still get a satisfying smoothie. The standout feature here is the 150-watt motor paired with 6 stainless steel blades that spin fast enough to tackle ice cubes and frozen bits more confidently than many cordless rivals. It even offers a pulse mode to help you break down stubborn chunks before a full blend. The blender comes with a USB-C rechargeable battery, LED battery indicators so you always know how much juice you have left, and a secure travel lid that keeps things spill-free on the move. The sleek bottle design and included handle make it a great companion for gym bags, office desks, or outdoor adventures. In short, if you want serious blending performance from a portable machine, this one delivers a lot of value without feeling bulky. Number 3. BlendJet 2 Portable Blender. The BlendJet 2 is designed around one core idea: portability without compromise on style. It's lightweight, USB-C rechargeable, and perfect for those who want a compact blender they can take anywhere, whether that's a hike, office lunch break, or road trip. With a 16-ounce capacity and decent battery life, it handles soft fruits, leafy greens, protein powders, and smoothies with ease. Users love the fun color options and self-cleaning trick of blending water with soap to rinse out the jar. That said, it's worth noting that earlier versions of this model were recalled due to safety concerns, and while later units have updated components, understanding your serial number and product status is a good idea before using it extensively. Despite that context, many people appreciate how effortless the BlendJet makes quick blends, especially when you value convenience above heavy blending power. Just temper expectations for frozen ingredients and very dense mixtures. Number 2. NutriBullet Flex Portable Blender. This NutriBullet blender brings the brand's legacy of performance into a truly portable form, built for busy mornings and on-the-go fuel. Its compact design and USB-C recharging make it incredibly convenient, and the leak-proof lid with carry handle is perfect for backpacks and gym bags. The blending experience is smooth with softer fruits, smoothies, and protein shakes, and it's lightweight enough that you barely notice it in your bag. However, because it uses a smaller motor and has a single speed, it handles tougher ingredients like large ice chunks or dense frozen foods a bit less efficiently than larger portable options. For everyday blends, think berries, bananas, liquid bases, and supplements, it delivers consistent, drinkable results. Cleaning is quick, though some find the non-removable blades trickier to wash than expected. If you prioritize convenience and simplicity over heavy-duty performance, This blender makes blending fast and fuss-free without weighing you down. Number 1. Ninja BC151NV Blast Portable Blender. If you want a portable blender that actually feels powerful, this one is a standout choice. Its 18-ounce capacity hits the sweet spot for full breakfast smoothies or post-workout shakes, giving you enough room for fruit, greens, and even some small ice pieces. Built with robust blade technology and a USB-C rechargeable battery, it lets you blend wherever life takes you, whether that's the office, gym, or weekend trips. The leak-resistant lid and sip spout make it easy to drink straight from the blending cup, and cleanup is a breeze thanks to dishwasher-safe parts. While some users mention the battery needs charging more often than they'd like, the trade-off is a genuinely smooth texture that many portable blenders struggle to achieve. Its ergonomic design and reliable performance make it feel more like a mini countertop blender than a typical travel gadget. For everyday users who want real results without sacrificing convenience, this model hits the mark beautifully. So that wraps up our look at the top 5 best portable blenders in 2026. Each of these options shines in its own way, whether you care most about power, portability, or everyday convenience. Remember, the best blender is the one that fits your routine and keeps you consistent. All the products featured in this video are available in the description below. If this helped you out, like the video, subscribe to Tech Fact, and comment your favorite pick. Stay tuned for more smart, honest tech reviews coming your way.